Hi, how's everybody been? I haven't been on here in a long time. A lot has happened. A lot of personal struggles and a lot of things I just absolutely knocked me to my knees. So, pulled the rug out from underneath me. What other cliches can we come up with? But I'm better now. I'm doing good. And I'm moving. Sokomo Woodwork is moving from this tiny little shop to basement. I'm moving from the garage to the basement. It's amazing how messy you get when you're trying to clean up. So, plus I'm going through a lot of stuff that hasn't seen the light of day in a long time, and you know, it's gotta be taken out. So here's what's going to be going on. Outside this door, I'm going to actually enclose this back here, and I'm going to make it for painting and sanding. That way I'll have the ventilation without having to do a lot of plumbing work. Over in here will be kind of like a media type center where I'll do the intros, outros, stuff like that. Right here by this post on this side will be my table saw, because I have a longer feed going, we'll say, east and west than I do north and south. And then, of course, along the walls will be bookcases, kind of like what you see down here, with a workbench on top. And then my lathe, I got a bandsaw, dust collection system, huge drill press for my dad. So, yeah, that is what's going on. This will be the new home for Sokomo Woodwork. The lighting, of course, will change. And I'm excited about it. I'm looking forward to it. In on me and just made sure that everything's going okay. And, you know, I appreciate it. I really do. But now I'm going to get back into my hobbies, the things I love to do. Not the things I have to do. Here comes the dog. But the things I love to do. And that's woodworking and making videos on YouTube. So, stick around. It's going to be fun. I'll keep you guys updated as we go along. Also going to do some more projects because, that needs to be done around this home as well. Thanks for watching. Thanks for staying with me. See you later. I almost forgot. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like, the thumbs up, ring the bell, get all the notifications. All that as we march along in building a new shop. If you're returning, thank you for returning. That's about it. I think you know what you got to do. So, YouTube's been around for a while. You know what you got to do. See you on the next one.